It's important to really understand ourselves and our values before we can begin to imagine the life that we want and before we can take the necessary steps to get there. Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm from Bartega, and today I'm going to share with you a series of creative journaling exercises. In the past, I was overcome by fear and uncertainty. I used to struggle whenever someone asked me what I wanted in life. That's when I began to use this drawing and journaling technique to really understand myself and my values. The reason why we combine simple and colorful drawings with journaling is because we feel that when we can see our vision, we can believe it. And when we believe in our vision, we are more likely to achieve it. I feel like drawing helps train my brain to execute my vision. Therefore, in this exercise, we are going to use the power of creative journaling to transform our past, to observe the present moment, and to imagine the future that we want. I have been doing this exercise on a weekly basis, and it has allowed me to clear my mind and prioritize the steps that I need to take to achieve my personal and career goals. We think that this technique is especially valuable for working professionals. In this rapidly changing world with so much information to process every day, this tool, when used as a habit, can become a powerful method to help you prioritize and make you more motivated as a person. I am very excited to jump on this journey with you.